My job as a futurist is to change your minds. How many of you assume that the economic recovery is going to have us out of recession within a year? Can I get a show of hands? For some, the future is inherently a challenging mental construct. There are many people who are more oriented to the past or the present than to the future. And in any organization, these are people who need to be brought along into thinking about what are the strategies that could achieve more than an organization's achieved in the past. Over decades now, I've worked with all kinds of different people in the healthcare arena. We've been the futurists for pharmacists, for various physician societies, for nurses, for allied healthcare. So we've pretty much looked at the future of health from virtually every vantage point and interest group perspective. As you look to your strategies, and I'm going to invite you when we turn to that strategy session to think about strategies that align you with the potential shift, an ethic of caring that moves from concern largely about the winners to a concern about health equity for all. We have a variety of methods that help clients understand what it is they can do today that will give them the most likely future that they would actually prefer to have. The aspirational futures method shows us that the hardest work is in the zone of high aspiration. It's critical there to imagine surprising success, because only then are you likely to achieve it. And great leaders work with a vision that has people trying to create a better future. We've had these sessions where people get very excited, think that there's some incredibly far-flung future development that they've discovered that's going to happen. And the next day, they come in with a newspaper article and say, look at this. It's already here. Psychologists know we all walk around with these pictures of reality, our own little bubbles, and we all think our picture is the best. The reality is that none of us have a complete picture. My job as a futurist is to change your minds.